Have you ever wondered if you could actually make some serious money with AI? Well, today we're going to dive into 5 genius business ideas, all powered by AI, that could seriously put you on the path to making $1 million. And the best part is, these aren't just random ideas. They come straight from Dan Martell, a guy who launches and scales AI companies for a living. So, okay, let's get into it. And really, this quote is the whole point of today's explainer. The game has totally changed. This isn't just for coders or, tech geniuses anymore. The door is wide open for pretty much everyone to build a real, profitable business with AI, and we're about to break down exactly how you can do it. All right, starting us off at number 5, creating a custom AI setup for executives. I mean, think about it. Every single busy CEO and business owner out there knows they should be using AI, but they're totally overwhelmed. They hear all these buzzwords like custom GPTs, which are kind of like specialized AI assistants, or these complex system prompts and master prompts, and honestly, they just have no clue where to even start. And that confusion, that's your golden opportunity. See, they don't have the time to sit there and figure it all out, but they absolutely have the budget to pay someone who can. You can be that person who just swoops in, sets up their entire AI workflow, and basically becomes their indispensable AI guru. Now, what I love about this is just how simple the blueprint is. Seriously, look. First, you have them fill out an intake form. Get all their info. Second, you take that info and you build out their custom prompts and GPTs. Third, you get the AI itself to write a simple user manual for them. And finally, you just log in and set the whole thing up. It's a clean, 4-step process that delivers a ton of value. And here is the real pro move. Don't just charge a one-time fee. Come on, AI platforms are changing constantly, like every single week. So you offer a monthly retainer for maintenance and updates. That creates recurring revenue, the holy grail, and it makes your service a complete no-brainer for them. Okay, let's move on to idea number 4, which is content multiplying. You see, so many companies are sitting on a gold mine of long-form content, podcasts, long YouTube videos, but they are completely fumbling the ball when it comes to short-form stuff for places like TikTok and Instagram. And the blueprint here is just as straightforward. First, you find clients who fit this exact profile. Then, you grab their best-performing videos or podcasts and just transcribe them. Finally, and this is the cool part, you feed that transcript to an AI and tell it to pull out dozens of short-form pieces. You're basically turning one piece of content into their entire social media calendar for the month. And if you want to make that content really good, you can use this secret weapon, the PSL framework. It stands for Point, Story, Lesson. This structure is just incredibly powerful on social media. You can literally tell the AI, hey, pull 5 or 6 PSLs from this one video and bam, you get a whole stream of amazing content that makes you look like an absolute marketing genius. Coming in hot at number 3 is the no-code website studio. Now, this is perfect for anyone with an eye for design. And you know what? Even if you don't, the whole idea is just so simple. You build beautiful, professional-looking websites for clients without writing a single line of code. I mean, just look at this comparison. It tells you everything you need to know. What used to take weeks of learning code like HTML and JavaScript can now be done in a few hours using AI tools like Framer. The barrier to entry has just been completely obliterated. It's gone. And the potential here, it's just staggering. Martell has actually seen people build fully automated agencies pulling in $10 million a year doing this. Think about it. A client pays, they fill out a form, and an AI literally builds and delivers the website. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening right now. And if you're sitting there thinking, yeah, right, I could never do that, listen to this. An 18-year-old intern with basically zero deep knowledge of design built a gorgeous professional company website in under 4 hours. The AI does all the heavy lifting. You just have to guide it. All right, idea number 2. This one is for all of you out there who already have a specific skill or area of expertise. It's all about packaging what you know into a high-value workshop. You're not just selling information here, you're selling a transformation, a result. This right here is so important. So many people get stopped by imposter syndrome, right? They think, oh, I'm not qualified enough. But expertise is all relative. If you've achieved something that somebody else wants, it could be quitting your job, learning to bake sourdough, whatever, you are an expert to them. You're just a few steps ahead of them on the path, and that's all that matters. And here's where the magic really happens. AI can build the entire workshop for you. It's a 3-step process. First, you just let ChatGPT interview you, like it's a beginner, and it pulls all that knowledge out of your head. Second, the AI takes all your answers and structures a complete curriculum. And third, you just show up and record, following the very slides and script that the AI made for you. It's wild. And for an extra little pro tip, ask the AI to structure your content using the format model. It's basically a cheat code for teaching. It's a framework based on adult learning theory that makes sure people connect with why they need to learn something, then they understand what to learn, they get to practice it, and then they know how to apply it. It just makes your teaching super effective. And now for the number one idea. This one is an absolute game changer, especially if you already have a business or even just a personal brand. It's all about using AI to find the gold that's already hidden in your existing network. We've all heard this saying a million times, right? But AI is what makes it literally tangibly true. The people you need to know, the ones who can help you hit your next big goal, they are probably already in your contacts. You just don't realize it. You're standing on a mountain of gold, you just don't have a shovel. Well, guess what? AI is the shovel. A tool like Social Suite can scan your thousands of emails, your social media followers, analyze who they all are, and uncover these massive opportunities. It connects the dots in a way a human brain just never could. And here's how simple it is. You just connect your accounts. The AI goes to work analyzing and enriching all your contacts. Then you just start asking it questions. Who do I know that works at Facebook? Who is a podcast in Austin? And the AI not only finds them, but, and this is the craziest part, it even writes the personalized outreach message for you. It's unbelievable. So we've just covered 5 absolutely incredible opportunities. And the temptation, I know, might be to try a little bit of everything. But listen, that is not the path to success. The most crucial point here is to pick one, just one, and go all in on it. This quote really just brings it all home. Real success, your true calling, it doesn't come from dabbling. It comes from deep, intense focus and a real commitment to mastering something. The game is won by dedicating yourself to one path until you succeed, period. So that leaves us with one final and really important question. After seeing these 5 powerful paths, from serving execs to mining your own network, which one is calling to you? Which one are you going to choose to master? The opportunity is sitting right there, waiting for you.